I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $1,000. And if I had known this just a few years ago, when I was homeless, bouncing around from place to place, I was on food stamps and then I ran out of food stamps. And I was trying to help my mom, who was also on food stamps. If I had known this structure, I think we would have been okay faster. Luckily and fortunately, where I'm not in that situation anymore, but I've been teaching thousands of entrepreneurs just like you how to earn money. I've also made some investments. I've invested in 200 companies. I've been on the cover of Fast Company. I've raised $30 million. But that's a different story. I like teaching entrepreneurs how to make money because I think that's the most sustainable way. So I'm going to give you three simple steps to make $1,000. These are the steps that I wish someone had told me when I was homeless. Okay, the first step is you're going to figure out an offer that you're going to give somebody. And I have other videos on this channel that teach you exactly how to find that offer step by step. But let's just assume you're going to do something like do one-on-ones with people. You're going to help them. Maybe you'll do 2 or 3 one-hour Zoom calls where you help someone step by step accomplish something that is important to them and that is valuable based on your skills. Or maybe you're going to do a VIP day, meaning you're going to spend 4 to 8 hours with someone in person or online. And you're going to just go through everything that they have in one major challenge in their company, in their life, in their love life, something that's health, wealth, or love, right? You're going to help them one day, VIP day, figure it all out. Or maybe you're going to give them a course that's really, really valuable that does take time to go through, but it's something that they are going to really dig into and it's exciting and you've given it a lot of time. A master class, you, there's so many ways you can have an offer, but think of it in those terms. You may even have a product or you may even have a service where you're not going to teach them how to do it. You're just going to do it for them. You're just going to do the thing like build the website for them or fill out the forms and get something created for them or help them do a demo in their kitchen or something like that. That you're going to come up with that offer and you're going to have it in your mind and you're going to price it. And if you don't know what to price it, come up with something that is $1,000. I know that can be intimidating sometimes to think that somebody might pay you $1,000 for something, but let me tell you, you're going to be able to find someone to do that. The second step you're going to take is you're going to record and publish 4 videos on YouTube or on Instagram or on LinkedIn, wherever you feel most comfortable and confident. YouTube is really great because it will reach people that you don't know. LinkedIn is great if it's very specifically for people who are entrepreneurs or executives or people who are looking for work or something like that. But you want to target people who you know have the money to afford this offer. So you're going to, let's say you're going to use YouTube because that's what I use. You're going to create 4 videos. These videos can be 4 minutes long, 8 minutes long, they can be 15 minutes long, but you're going to pack them with value. The next thing you're going to do is in those videos, this is still step 2. In those videos, you're going to have a call to action in the description. And even in the video itself, at some point, you're going to say, look in the description for the link. And I'm going to do the same right now. Look in the description for the link that'll help you do even more sales than I'm going to tell you about. So for the 4 videos, I'm going to tell you what they are. The first one's going to be an introduction to the problem. So you're going to explain the specific problem you'll help solve, making the viewers realize that they need assistance. So you're going to introduce a problem to them that is based on your offer. The second video is going to be a solution preview. So you've shown them what the problem is, like they don't have enough money or they are not they're single or something that you're going to help them with. They don't have a website that will convert, etc. Then you're going to in the second video, you're going to share a quick win or a tip that they could try on their own that shows them your expertise and value. Now, don't just listen to what I say, watch what I do because this video is exactly that. The third video you're going to make is a case study or success story, either one that you have helped somebody with or one that you know about. Now, if you don't have anyone you've helped before, but I bet you do, and you don't even realize it. Think about who you've helped and then ask if they'll give a testimonial, or you can just talk about them. If you don't have one, what you're going to do is you're going to veer off right now and you're going to go help one person or one group for free. You're going to help them as if they paid you $1,000, and you're going to get that result for them so that you can then show that as a case study, because that case study and that testimonial is worth way more than $1,000, because it'll probably help you get more than one customer. And the fourth video is going to be an answer to common objections. So people will know the problem, they'll see a quick solution, you're going to give a case study to show somebody else did it, but then they're going to still be people who are thinking from their logical side, and they're going to say, well, this is not going to work for me because of something. They're going to come up with an objection because that's human nature. So their fourth video is going to be something that naturally and organically explains to them why their objection is false and that can be refuted. And you have these four videos. You're going to record them. You can record them all at once, or you can record them once a week, but you're going to put them out once a week on the same day on YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn. And you're going to have a little bit of a description that links off to either, this part's important, either your Calendly that lets, like, directly lets people book a time with you on a certain day, or to your free membership. And I'll teach you how to do that membership very, all throughout this channel, or to a website or to an email list landing page. And I'll also show you, if you don't know how to set up your email list landing page, look at the link below. I have something for you. That's step 2. Step 3 is you're going to get on these calls that these videos have generated, and you're going to have at least 10 calls, and you're going to take all 10 of those calls, and your goal is to sell one person your $1,000 offer. And you're going to do all 10 calls and all 4 videos, and you're going to do all of that before you say it didn't work. Because here's the thing, most people are not going to do all of this. Most people will do 1 or 2 of these things, and then they'll say it didn't work and I'm stopping. What are you going to do? Are you going to try this? Are you going to finally stop having the excuse that you can't generate money outside of a 9 to 5? Or are you going to just say, I can't do that, and this is the list of reasons I can't do it? I want you to give this a try. And if you do this over the next 4 weeks, you will make your first $1,000. And if you learn how to make your first $1,000, you can make that over and over and over again. If you make 1 sale out of 10, then that's amazing. And if you do that, chances are that you'll make 2 sales out of 10 the next time, and then 3 sales out of 10 the next time. And you'll get somewhere between 25% and 50% conversion on your sales calls. So it's very, very cool to learn this method.